closing your speed. So, without further ado, Master Arif with speech title Good Habit of Personal Finance. Good Habit of Personal Finance, Toastmaster Arif.
Good evening, fellow Toastmaster and guests. Today I want to discuss about neglecting topic, but it's quite important for us to learn it. It's about personal finance or financial planning. Have anyone heard about financial planning? Anyone? Oh, some of you heard about financial planning. This financial planning is important for us to understand and to apply it for our everyday life because it's affect all of us. But financial condition is very diverse for each of one of us. But there are some habits that we can follow for us to have a good financial habit. And the one habit is you have to live within your mean or below your mean. I remember when I was first time jobber, um, I want my first salary is good enough and I want to spend it all. But I then remember about advice from my parent, from my friend that you have to live below your mean, meaning that we live our spending is not exceed our monthly salary. Even better, you can save some of it to your saving account for future use. And then if this habit, we must not have expend much for the month. Like if you can also avoid if you are going to avoid going to the mall only when you have a tiny income. Like when I was in college, my income is from a parent. Then I'm always thinking about the money when I have in the end of the month. And that's the life of our college life. It's very little money. Then you have have to survive for the month. I remember when my life when I was college, my menu eating when I'm in the first month is very big. It's very diverse. Like this kind of word of the day. It's very diverse. But at the end of the month, it's just a little menus. It's very boring at the end of the month. But after you have first jobber of or older jobber, you can have many salary. You can save it a lot as long as you don't spend much of it. You can have some kind of budget so you can see that you have money left in your account when you have this kind of financial budget, just like in the company. Yes, I come from the financial background. That's my life is about counting about company money, but I have also difficulty when counting my money also. It's very hard also when we must count our money if or when our money is very limited or we cannot count but our mind is stop from thinking because our money is very limited. That's when we think about our financial planning. And the second habit is be careful with your debt. Your There's some good debt, but some also a bad debt. Bad debt is some like when you have a credit card, your you must carefully your credit card because it's very dangerous when we spend carelessly, not careful. I remember when I'm first jobber when my brother is just graduate from the college. He borrow my credit card. He spent off much of my credit card, and at the end of the month, the bank called me, "Hey, can you pay this credit card? It's your credit card." This he he makes me like a criminal, right? Maybe his money not spent wisely, the bank money not spent wisely by me, but it's in terms with my brother who lent my credit card. That's the danger of your credit card. But now I'm wisely as we become older, I just credit card for only for my important purpose. There are also good debts of us when you have a mortgage, mortgage in by buying house, your house will increase year by year. So your debt in your bank is still a little increase, but your debt, your house will value will increase faster than your debt. That's a some point good debt, and that's kind of two about good habit that I'm follow. The first is life within your mean, and the second is to be careful with your debt and to remember to have a good habit because it affect all of your life. It become peaceful when you have a good habit of financial and your life will be secure and also be peaceful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ari, for sharing your speech with us. We gained something new uh, about our good habits for our personal finance. So there are some things that we learn. Avoid going to the mall if you guys are university student, and save it. Don't spend most of it, and remember to make budgeting. I know it's hard to count our money when our money is still little, but we can practice so when we have a lot of money, it will be easier for us to manage it. Thank you, Toastmaster Arif. Fellow Toastmasters, now we are going to our last speaker.